Hello everybody, back again with another cooking video. Got a few seasonings here. Today we're just going to be plain simple. This will probably be one of my quickest cooking videos. I have some white rice cooking. We're going to cook some broccoli. And I'm just going to do some Texas Pete chicken today. And all I'm going to do is just chop this up a bit, season it up with my basic seasonings that I like to season with. And then I'm just going to cover it all in Texas Pete hot sauce, let it sit for a bit before cooking it in some butter, okay? Alright, so this is my first voiceover that I'm doing on a video. It's not something I do normally because I talk as I cook or prep my food. But I wanted to fast forward this part of the video. I didn't want everyone to hear the awkward silence because I wasn't talking while I was cutting. And also just wanted to point out my cutting skills, they need some work. I know. I'm trying my best here, but hey, when you live alone and you cook just for yourself, it doesn't have to be perfect. I tried to cut everything up in squares, cubes, before getting into my seasoning of the chicken for my dinner tonight. All right, the video continue. 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Should continue, and now. All right, so you got everything all cut up, nice and neat. You know what's first? Adobo. I'm a sprinkler. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Boom. Garlic powder. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Parsley. I'm gonna mix that all around soon. Seasoning everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. If my camera starts shaking, I apologize. Mix that all up. I'll use my hands. Might throw a little bit more seasoning in here. And then top it off with Texas Pete. Final step before we cook it. Put as much or as little bit as you like. This is something I started trying when I didn't have much to work with and just tired, lazy. I just thought, damn, maybe this would be easier to just whip it up. Like Texas Pete is my favorite hot sauce, and I love the flavor. So I was like, let me try something different, easy, and tasty. And then, you know, chicken and rice always goes together. And then now I got that covered, I'll let it sit for a few minutes, soak up all that hot sauce. I'm gonna wait for my rice and broccoli to finish cooking, and then I'm gonna fry this up real quick. All right, it's been a few minutes. It's cooking time now. I got some butter here. I'm gonna toss that in the pan. Got my pan on level 5 right now. I'm gonna let that melt up, and then we're just gonna toss the chicken in there, let it cook. Probably adding more butter if we need to. I don't know, I just like the way it cooks in butter instead of oil. Slide to the lid, slide to the right. And even while it's melting, we just leave that there and still add chicken to it, which we're gonna do right now. I'm hungry today, so we're gonna put a little extra. I'm just gonna leave butter on each side, spread the chicken out so each little piece gets cooked correctly. No raw chicken at all. I'll leave that alone for now. Do a quick peek. Told you I was doing some rice today. And my broccoli's already cooked. And we'll be able to eat that in a few minutes once this is all done. It's only been 2 minutes, but it's ready, cooking fast. That's the benefit of cooking the chicken small. Like when you cook it, it gets done faster, you know? Now I'll wait like another minute or two so it gets nice and dark in the bottom. Then I'll flip it, wait another 3-4 minutes. If I need to, I'll add more butter to cook in there. We have enough hot sauce. And then we can serve it. And we're just gonna play with it right now. See that nice color? That's from the seasoning and the hot sauce. A nice orange yellow. And it smells good. And I do this for the flavor. It's not a spice thing because Texas Pete's not that spicy at all. But you can do it with any sauce you like, any hot sauce you like. So after about like 5 to 6 minutes, continually like flipping it, turning it, chicken's done. And we're gonna serve it with our rice and broccoli today. What I wanna do is put the chicken on the side and then like that hot sauce butter mixture, toss it on the rice for like a sauce or whatnot. See what we could do. And you already know after I'm done recording, I'll take a quick pic of everything. Maybe do a boomerang or something, who knows. Drop the chicken. But yeah, chicken broccoli rice, Texas Pete. It's dinner served. Alright, if you made it this far in the video, I just want you to keep watching. I have a little bit more coming up as we go through the quick slideshow of pictures and this boomerang that I did before adding some more stuff to my plate. Okay? Just for the heck of it, we're going the extra mile today, and we're going to add some pepper and onions to our dinner today. I know we used these in one of our last videos, one of the last things I cooked for myself, and I don't feel like letting it go to waste, so I was like, let's make my plate colorful and healthy. Oh, I love sizzling. Let's make some room on here. Come around. Drop it all. And this will end the video. Probably show some pictures of what it looks like. But it's dinner time. Real quick before the video ends, just want to thank you all for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks again.